And Chad Ziadie has described winning his third Jamaica Skeet Club national shotgun title as a relief after holding off Aliana McMaster by just 3 points. Denise Walters reports.
Chad Ziadie bagged 432 birds out of a possible 500 during the championship, which consisted of 5-stand, FITAS, the Super Sporting and the Sporting Clay. Ziadie scored 94 in 5-stand and 91 in FITAS to win those shooting disciplines. His Super Sporting score of 80 placed him in the top 10, and his 167 Sporting Clay score was good enough for top 6. Prior to this title, Ziadie was 26 when he became the youngest shooter to win the National Shotgun Championship in 2022, and he repeated as champion in 2024.
I faced some difficult challenges this weekend. My gun started to give me issues, and I had to actually switch back to my old gun. So it felt very good to finish on top, going through those. It feels good, relief. I mean, the competition this year was very tight. As a matter of fact, Aliana charged back from 13 behind to only lose by 3. So it just shows you how tough the competition was this year.
Meanwhile, Aliana McMaster scored 429, just 3 points behind Ziadie to take the runner-up spot. McMaster, who created history by becoming the first woman to win the Sporting Clay discipline, tallied 177 points over 2 days and ended as the women's champion for the 4th time. She also won the junior category.
I think this year I've definitely grown a lot more than any of the other years, and I definitely see that coming in handy in the future as well. In the shoot-up, this whole experience was a big gain for me.
Meanwhile, Roman Tavares Finson was crowned the A-class champion. Regier da Costa took the B-class. The C-class title went to Chris Clark. Tony Barnes came up trumps in D-class. Nisa da Costa is the E-class champion. Rise McMaster took top honors in the sub-junior class. And the Hunter or beginner class title went to Xander James. Additionally, Jeffrey Ziadie comped to the senior champion title. Robert Yap Fu bagged the veteran champion title. And the 9-time national shotgun champion and former Jamaica Skeet Club president Ian Banks took the super veteran champion title.
So we have a challenge. With growth, there is a lot of, like teething pains. So we have a club that we have outgrown, which we need to find space, permanent space to house us. We have a number of shoots this year where we have almost maxed out our ability to squad everyone. So those challenges remain, and we have to find ways of doing that. So maybe multiple rotations, multiple, weekends of shooting, that sort of thing.
A record 152 shooters took part in the national championship. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.